Hi, my name is Menachem, and I'm here to show you a Lego bridge. And it comes with 3 cars. I built it with no instructions. So this one is what is that car called? I forgot what it's called, but yeah. This one has a high seat, you can see. Okay, has a motor. This is like a forest car. Yeah, it's cool. I was gonna make it like it could turn, like it could spin, but there wasn't that much room, so I couldn't make it spin. And wait, let me just put this on. So yeah, these are these cars. Okay, here is the bridge. I was gonna make a Golden Gate Bridge, but it kind of breaks really easy. So I had to make it just a regular bridge. Even if I made a bridge, just a Golden Gate Bridge, it would kind of like, I don't know, have some things with it. Let me just wait. There we go. Okay. There's a little space where you could go through. See, I made it different colors. Yeah. You see the look there? Oh no, really good. So there. I think I made it pretty cool. See, like, there, so you can see. Okay, so you see inside here, inside the little tiny space, you can see right there, there's this long space. Okay, so I'm going to put that back on. Yeah, so I really like it. It's cool. It's like, there are different ways of making, like, see, like, they're supposed to do it like that and there, but on this side it's different. There's a lot of, they're like different bricks. So like, see here, and this one. So you could kind of see, it's a little blurry. And it's really, really cool. The stable part is, the only stable parts are here, 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 and no more. Wait, 1 second. We need to get them. I just needed to get a piece. Okay, so, let me see something. This piece. Sorry, I need to do something. Okay, I'm not going to wait for anything else. Oh, no. Okay, so we need to put this here. That was the missing piece. It's just missing piece. Where's it go? Okay. So, it looks pretty cool. I love it. It's so cool. So, there's really cool features, and that's basically it. Bye.